We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, power windows, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.